stay motivated. We are back again, back at the duplex, getting stuff done. Demo going good. Doing a second porch right now. Doing a walkthrough. Whenever you're doing a project, always want to make sure that you're doing a walkthrough, staying on site, letting your subs know that you are there. I am here with the young future tycoon, my guy Sumo.
Good, y'all. It was good. Nice meeting y'all. You know what I'm saying? First time on camera.
Sumo is the Kimball Properties. Hold on, let me get my melanated light right. So Sumo is our newest intern with Kimball Properties. He well, I'll let you. You know what I mean?
I got you.
How did you even find out about Kimball Properties? You know what I mean? Like,
so really, I found out about Kimball Properties like I want to say a year ago. So I had a mentor named Gino. Then one day I pulled up to the office, talked to Ash. I was like, "How you doing?" She was like, "We're actually looking for interns." So you know what I'm saying? I kind of put myself in the right place at the right time. And ever since then, I just been taking the head on. Real estate developer intern, you know what I'm saying? I've been kind of shadowing Anthony.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want people to think, okay, you just an intern. Nah, you really like, you know what I mean? You in the mud, you know, you figuring stuff out. You running numbers, you know what I mean? You're not just in the office stapling papers. You know, you know what I'm saying? You know, you ain't just no ordinary intern. You really, you know, you really into it. And
finance work.
Exactly. So what really made you even want to like pursue real estate? Because I give you a lot of credit because you're only 18, you know what I mean? And you already know how you want to go about things, how you want to do things, you know what I mean? So
yeah,
where did it even come from?
Real estate, I feel like real estate really one of them career fields that could expand you, you know what I'm saying? You'll be able to do this, and it's not gonna take up much of your time once you like master it. Like once you master it, you can do it in your sleep, easy, boom. Then you can move on to your hobbies, what you really want to do. Yeah. But it's that much better when real estate is your hobby. So you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So you got a passion for something, you can do it. It'll free you up, and you get to live the lifestyle you want.
Don't even feel like work.
You don't even feel like it.
And it's creating passive income.
Just chilling, but I'm working.
Yeah. And what school do you go to?
I go to Southern University. I'm a finance major, freshman.
Okay.
I also serve as the freshman class vice president and finance director. I am also a men's federation intern. What else am I?
That man got a hustle for every bump on your face.
I'm a creative director for the fashion club. And lastly, I'm an NAACP member. So, yeah.
Okay. And that's not even everything that you do. You got, you know what I'm saying, you have your own hustles, you have your own aspirations as well.
I'm also an entrepreneur. I do own a business line called Real One. I'm a clothing brand called Real One. The purpose of that is to really push everybody to be their authentic selves and never to, you know what I'm saying, never change because of nobody else. Just who you is.
Definitely, man. Hey, bro. Last question, man. What does the legacy office mean to you? Like, how does it feel to be around the legacy office? You know what I mean? I know it got a whole lot of greatness in there, but I'll give it to you. You fit right in, bro. You know what I mean? I see your greatness. You know what I'm saying? I see your admiration for everybody, and you really just putting in work, and you're not just like around. Like, you around, but you asking questions. You know what I mean? You involved. You know what I mean? So just ask you, what does that mean to you to be around?
Bro, legacy is one of the. I say legacy is the blueprint for the future business office. Like spaces, like the way legacy is ran, like wins, losses, opportunity, bro. That's new, that's different, and it's just kind of a. You said a word, I probably put say like perfect, because it's like you're able to do you and not be ashamed for doing you because you're not focused on coming time. You could do, like, I don't know, most definitely do your work. But if you know what I'm saying, venture out on what you got going on for like 5-10 minutes, there's no shame in that.
Yeah,
you know
So promoting your greatness, promoting, you know what I mean, what you interested in,
invested in themselves as well as the company. Everybody got the pure intentions, right? So everybody at Legacy has pure intentions. So that's what, you know what I'm saying, I feel like I fit right in because my intentions are pure.
Hey, definitely, bro. I thank you for your time, man. We are here at my duplex. We could do a quick walkthrough. I mean, you could tell me, I mean, really, I mean, what do you, because I know you're interested in house hacking right now, right?
Right, correct. I'm interested in all aspects, but most definitely, like, getting rental, building my portfolio right now is what I'm really trying to learn.
Bro, I wish I was when I was 18 I had your brain, you know what I mean? I was thinking like that, bro. But you know what I mean? Definitely proud to even have you and work with you and keep you in company, man.
Most definitely.
And we are here. Coming together. Made it, and it's Wednesday. We are getting some interior framing done. It's supposed to rain today, so I made the call to move some stuff on the inside, get interior framing done. Yeah, man. I mean, how are you doing today? I mean, me, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Man, just getting this stuff done, getting materials, making sure everything is here. Subs are in place. Really having to micromanage this project a lot, but I knew that would come with the price point that I got it at for this budget. But the work should be still really good quality. You know what I mean? We're gonna take a quick look real quick. Yep, closing up these windows, going from 36 by 66 to 36 by 48.5. Cheaper windows. 2, it's in stock. I can get it today or tomorrow. I don't have to wait 3 months to order it. So yeah, I mean, just a quick update. Till next time. We are here another day at it. Yeah, checking out this framing, verifying. So basically what happens is when they're close, not finished framing yet, but when they are close to finishing framing, you want to just confirm your door sizes, confirm, you know, what the room's going to be. Like for this room over here, like this room is going to be a washer and dryer room. I need to confirm and make sure that the length of this door is going to be enough for me to have a stackable washer and dryer, and it's going to have enough depth for me to have it. So pretty much what I did, I drew a line out for them, pretty much just to double verify, because nobody has time to waste on expensive lumber and all that. So really just double checking, getting everything straight. Yeah, man, you can kind of see us becoming separated. Yeah, man. Starting to look like something, but my favorite phase or part is drywall, just because it's like, okay, we real deal, you know what I mean? We big time. It's separated, you can see it. You know, that's my favorite part, besides being finished, of course. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Having an eventful day today. It's freezing outside, or freezing for us in Louisiana. It's like 30-40 degrees. But yeah, man, stay tuned. It's gonna be an eventful day. Let's get it.
6.5 hours later.
We're gonna check this deck out. I want you to see if you spot a problem. Let's see. If you guessed white wood. Correct. White wood should not be outside. And you obviously see the color change. You know what I mean? I'm pretty calm right now because I already know accidents are gonna happen, but accidents come at a cost, at a cost that I'm not covering, that it's gonna be deducted from the sub. But only thing you can't get back is time wasted. But yeah, man. Quick walkthrough. Caught that up. Went got the exterior 2x4s. So we back in action, back in motion. Whew. Real estate motivated. It is Friday. Okay, no, it's not. It is Saturday. I got busy yesterday, so I'm here Saturday, just checking up on things, making sure everything is straight. It is 27 degrees in Baton Rouge. This is painful. Yeah, let's do a walkthrough, checking on things, just to verify how the week went. Okay, the deck is finished. Deck looking good. Gonna put 2x4s right here. Really because I plan on having like the 2x4s white. I'm gonna have the top of this stained to match the top of the deck. I'm glad we got it fixed. Had to get it fixed. The sub was trying to like add a block right here, but you really couldn't even see the if you passing by in the street, you wouldn't be able to see the stain, and that's not gonna match my aesthetic, you know what I mean, or what I'm really trying to do out here, you know what I mean. So put some respect on my name, what I'm looking for. Yeah, let's continue. It's a nice size porch. Yeah, this is a nice size porch, man. This is a rental side. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah, man. Think about staining the top of the porch, top of each step, each kicker, which is this part right here in between. Each kicker is gonna be white. And we could stain the post, probably get a thicker trim around it, the casing around it. And also gonna stain this top right here. Gotta finish this one. Yeah, headed to my man stop. He had white wood out here. No, need treated wood, man. Yeah, taking that down. Yeah, he was like, you can just paint over it. And if I didn't know, and just went for his word, oh, okay, let's just paint over it, it would have deteriorated over time. I'm living here, it would have messed up. It just wouldn't have been a good look. So let me go check on the inside. Oh yeah. This porch is way bigger. What's up, my man? Working on the Saturday?
Huh?
So you're working on the Saturday?
Yes. Every day.
Every day, no days off.
Maybe tomorrow.
Hopefully, it should be.
Too much work.
Good? Good. Looks good. Looks good. Yep. So that'll be the closet. Closet.
How many? 22? What's closed?
Oh, this door?
Yeah.
This door is 32.
32, right?
32. Yeah. So pretty much, yeah. Wow.
One right here. One door.
Yep.
32, right?
Yep. 32.
One window.
Nope. 32 door.
Close.
Close this window.
Right here. 45.
You can probably put it close to like the middle.
The middle.
Yeah, close to the middle. Yeah, close to the middle.
Let's see.
That's it.
Okay. Maybe 2 feet. More.
That one could be 35.5.
45. Deeper.
35 to
45 and a half.
yeah, 35 and a half to
48.
Yep, 48.5. Yep. Yeah. You drink coffee?
Okay.
I can get you some.
Good.
Unless you want a Coke.
Yeah.
You want a Coke?
Yeah. No
It's not too cold for a Coke?
No, it's fine.
Alright, man. I'll get you one. Whew. Coming together. Ooh, man, it is cold in my lips. Like, oh, Jesus, man, it is cold out here. All right, just finished up a walkthrough. Whew, not bad. Not bad for a week. Not bad at all. Yeah, we'll go over some notes to make sure we're good for next week. Make sure all material is here. Make sure everything is going according to schedule. I'm going to do a video on construction budget, construction schedule. I'm going to do all that, you know, just try to not just document, but also educate a little bit. You know, I got a little bit of experience, but just want to share that knowledge, you know what I mean? But hey, it's been a good week. We are still in phase 1. We'll get it done.